Hello smart mathematicians, let's do question 11a. A farmer draws a rough sketch of two adjacent fields he needs to fence. Field A is a square with a width of x. Field B is a rectangle in shape with a width of y. Area of field A plus area of field B is equal to 1000 square units. NR is the only fence that is shared by both field A and field B. Find y in terms of x. So we want to find y in terms of x. We're told that the area of field A plus area of field B is equal to 1000 square units. So let's find the area of field A plus the area of field B. So what's the area of field A? Is going to be, the area of field A is x squared, x times x. So it's x squared plus the area of field B, which is x times y, times xy, is equal to 1000 square units. We can transpose our x squared, should come this side. We want to find y in terms of x. We want to make y the subject. So xy is equal to 1000 minus x squared. Okay, and then we can divide by x on both sides of the equation. It means y is equal to 1000, or you can divide everything by x. We divide this by x, we divide this by x, we divide this by x. So y is equal to 1000 divided by x minus x. Okay, done. So we can also have something like this. So you can say y is equal to 1000 minus x squared divided by x is still okay. Or you can say this length, this whole length here, is x plus y, and then the width here is x. So you can find the area of the whole rectangle by saying length times width, which is x times x plus y, is equal to 1000. Right, and then distribute x squared plus xy is equal to 1000, and then meaning that transpose the x squared, xy is equal to 1000 minus x squared. Then divide everything by x. Then you remain with y is equal to 1000 over x minus x. Okay, this is y in terms of x.